Bye.
Woo! Okay, so pwede tayong mag-flex with the new Ditto Flex plan. So they sent this over, this really nice PR kit, and for us to check. The new campaign of Ditto is about flexing the small achievements and even yung anything about your life. So ito yung kanilang flex plans, or I'm guessing flexible plans. So meron silang 388 SIM only. They also have 888 only 5G SIM only. Meron din silang flex plans for handsets. So karamihan ng phones nila right now are Samsung. Pero syempre may mga naka-breakdown siya. May 588, 888, 1288, and then 1688. Up to 75 gig yung data na bibigay niya sa'yo. Tapos meron ka pang Prime membership for 12 months. So that's 168 per month, no? Meron din silang 588 per month, pero may kasama na siyang Samsung Galaxy A05 at A05s for the next one, at saka A15 5G for the 1288. Medyo sulit siya kumpara mo sa mga ibang telcos right now. Okay na plans for others, no, and even us. Even yung mga sa mga iba, kasi nag-start din naman talaga tayo lahat sa prepaid. Pero syempre, yung postpaid is a statement na parang you can pay this monthly at saka kaya mong, parang achievement na siya sa atin back then. At saka may kasama siyang phone, which is very, very nice. So, kasama dito sa kanilang pinadala ay, it's time to flex your milestones. Would you have a Ditto pen? Meron siyang, write your success stories. You have a pen, and put no limit on what you can achieve. Only 5G. They have the Ditto power bank. Nice. And keep your devices charged and your ambitions limitless. Very nice messaging, very inspiring from Ditto. Flex back with cashback. So that is true, kasi even sa app that I use, yung sa kanilang Ditto app, meron talaga mga cashback points and stuff that you get na pwede mong gamitin. So, pakita ko sa inyo. I have Ditto points, may credits din ako, may data. Tapos I always subscribe to the promos that they have kasi talaga may cashback siya. Enjoy the rewards you deserve for a job well done. So, hindi na papakita sa inyo. And also, we have this. Stay connected and ready to go, uninterrupted productivity. They also sent this, mga adapters and cables on the go, SIM ejector, adapter for micro, Type-C, and also iPhone, Lightning, at saka USB-A. So very, very useful stuff that Ditto was able to send over. Ang cool ng stuff. Up to 100% cashback and nothing can hold you back. Go flex on what you got. There's more to flex dito. Flex mo dito. So, first time din yata sa vlog to. Very short clip, hopefully. Pero you guys should check out Ditto, Maraming signals na mas malakas si Ditto kumpara sa mga ibang telcos right now. Pero surprisingly, sa some areas, and even a lot of areas already, malakas yung signal dito. Really surprised. I should use that more. But let me know what you think about Ditto connection, if malakas ba sa area nyo or hindi. Comment down below if malakas siya sa inyo, yung 5G connection niya, at saka yung kanilang saan ba medyo weak yung signal niya. But the flex plans that they have, wow, sulit yung 388. SIM only if you want. There's also plan for only 5G, 888 per month. And there's phone plans na I don't think a lot of people know. Phone plans na rin sila at may kasama kang Prime membership. 12-month ka agad yun. So that's super sulit for me. Get a phone with up to 100% cashback. Pwede siya. Yun. So that is it. I just want to thank Ditto for sending this over along with the other stuff. So cashback, affordable flex plans from Ditto. Get a SIM. There's a couple of retailers out there, and also always check the app. Ang daming sulit na promos doon na you guys can use and avail of. Free calls ka pa sa lahat ng networks, and also only text. May mga ganun silang promo. Very flexible siya. Kumpara sa iba na very straight up plans lang na wala kang choice but to accept it. But for Ditto, is very flexible. Kaya siya Ditto Flex plan. So, comment down below. Flex mo dyan sa baba kung what are your thoughts. But for me, that's it. My name is Mike. See you guys in the next one. Peace!
Bye.